Dust on my feet, fire in the ground, sunburned silence, no water, no sound. Cracks in the soil, like stories untold, waiting for the heavens to open and unfold. I hear the wind call your name, carrying whisper through heat and flame. Every shadow dancing slow, praying for the river to flow. Then the sky turns heavy, dark and wide. Feel that rhythm rising from inside. First drop falls, I close my eyes. Life returns when the spirit cries. Rain over red earth, washing my soul. Drum of the thunder, makes me whole. Feel it in my bones, feel it rebirth. Dancing in the rain over red earth. Rain over red earth, قلبي يعود, قلبي يعود, healing every scar. قلبي يعود, قلبي يعود. Under sacred skies we emerge, dancing in the rain over red earth. Rain fall down, let it flow. Red earth rise to the glow. Rain fall down, let it flow. Red earth rise to the glow. Feet hit the ground, rhythm divine. Heartbeat syncing with yours and mine. Mud on my skin, I feel alive. Ancient echoes begin to revive. From the roots to the sky we call. In every drop we hear it all. Generations in every sound, lost and found in the sacred ground. Clouds break open, spirits sing. Every drop is remembering what we lost, what we found. In this love we are unbound. Rain over red earth, washing my soul.